I'm just walking into the very furthest little sitting area, right at the far end of the Kennedy Town temporary playground. um, this is an area that was already here, but we added some planting about 8 years ago. So if you look around, you'll see these funny kind of curved, sort of 600 millimeter high walls. They were already here. Excuse me. And then we added in some of these additional planting areas, some little areas around the bottom of these supposed shade and sun shade areas. Before I go into the actual individual plants in a little bit more detail, let's just walk out here to the edge. Now you can see we're right by the sea here, and whoa, does the wind blast in here when there's a typhoon. So the species that was selected, well, I selected them in the hope, as far as I knew, that they would be able to stand up to, I mean, when there's a high sea, I mean, the spray comes right over into this whole area. So the species were chosen, to be able to deal with this kind of situation. And so I'm going to go. You can see that we've chosen palms. Palms are normally pretty good in windy situations, because they send out these great big massive, as I mentioned to you before, like finger thickness roots in a great big sort of mat, and then they don't have, of course, because the leaves bend, they don't have much wind loading. Right? So you can see that palms often survive situations that more broadleaf and wider crowned trees can't tolerate. So I'm going to go and talk about some of the species individually in a minute.